Welcome! In this video, we'll go over how to mute phrases from accounts you don't follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This feature is part of the latest update and gives you even more control over what appears on your timeline. Let's start. First, open x.com in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home feed, look to the left side of the screen and click on the More icon. This opens a small menu with several options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This is where you can manage how people interact with your content, control visibility, and fine-tune your experience on the platform. In the Privacy and Safety section, scroll down and click on Mute and Block. This tab includes multiple options for managing your interactions like blocking, muting accounts, or filtering notifications. For this tutorial, choose Muted Words. You'll now see a list of your currently muted words or phrases. To add a new one, click the plus icon located at the top right corner. A small window will appear for creating your new muted phrase. In the text field, type the phrase, word, or even hashtag you'd like to mute. This could be anything I don't want to see popping up on your timeline or in your notifications. Once you've entered the phrase, move to the next section to adjust the mute settings. You'll notice options like mute from and duration. In the mute from section, select from people you don't follow. This ensures that only those outside your following list are filtered out whenever they use that phrase. You can also adjust how long you want the mute to last forever or for a specific time frame. After you've set everything the way you want, click on Save at the top right. That's it. The phrase is now muted and you won't see it from people you don't follow anymore. This feature is a great way to keep your feed relevant, organized, and free from unwanted topics.